It's your boy Kip Jackson, 20x20 gang. I'm here to talk to you guys about 5 things, count them, that we can do to pass time during the coronavirus. It's super important that we all play a very big role in stopping the spread of this disease. That being said, it does not mean we can't have fun or be productive. It's challenges like this that offer us time to reflect and reevaluate our priorities in life. That being said, here at 20x20, we made a top 10 list, so to say, starting from the bottom, in no particular order, of things to do while social distancing. Check it out. Number 10, organize your life. Think about it. Every day we make decisions on what to wear, what to eat, and we waste time and energy finding those very things. If we were to be organized and know where those things were, then we can actually spend time doing things we actually want to do. Number 9, learn how to play an instrument. That's just something that's been on my agenda for quite some time now, or actually learn how to get better at an instrument. That's something that is not only a life skill that you can hone in on, but also a skill that uses both sides of the brain, studies show. That's something that connects cultures. Music is a language universal. It's something that speaks volumes from the soul that is very similar to every culture. Music connects people. So if you're able to hone in on these music skills during this time period of social distancing, that just helps you moving forward. And that's another skill you can have in this life. Which leads us right into number 8, learning how to cook. Food is something that, especially in times like this, is great to enjoy. It brings happiness and comfort to your spirit, okay? Food brings people together as well as music. If you're able to hone in on this skill of making food and shopping for ingredients, it'll definitely save you money over time. I, for one, use a food service called HelloFresh, which delivers weekly ingredients that we chop up and, scramble around to create finished products. Now, if food services aren't the way to go, if you don't want to really spend the budget for the HelloFresh or for the Home Chef or other cooking services that deliver you the ingredients, use the internet, okay? It's the 21st century. Google is your best friend. There's thousands or millions of how-tos and what-tos and what do you need out there present on the internet that'll definitely save you time, energy, and money when it comes to learning how to cook, okay? And you can learn at your own speed, pausing the videos, playing them at your own speed. You guys already know how to do that. Now, just like any other practicing or any skill that you may learn over time, cooking is one of those that you have to trial and error, okay? You have to refine your recipe to how you like it and how you want to taste food. And that's something that's very unique to everybody's palate. 7, play games. Now, it doesn't matter if it's board games or video games, single player or multiplayer. This is a great pastime as it brings people together and allows you to express yourself in an artistic fashion. Board games and video games both offer an outlet during this time of social distancing. Also, no matter what, when playing a board game or a video game, you're always having a good time. Number 6, catch up on your favorite shows, channels, artists. Support your local businesses, okay? Them, like us, have bills to pay during this time period. Their income has been cut drastically because of the spread of this virus. So order takeout, leave a review, because that might be the thing that that carries this business through to the time period after this virus, okay? Definitely do that. If you can't afford the takeout, leave a review online, Yelp, anything. Take the time to support something that you have come to cherish outside of the big corporate businesses. Number 4, make something. This can be an artistic work, a song for somebody you care about, pretty much anything. And this uses both part of your brain. This passes time, this brings people together. You just creating something is an outlet as well, like making music, video games, movies, anything like that. Do it. You got time? Might as well. Number 3, send your friends some snail mail, okay? This is something that we haven't done in quite a long time. putting pen to paper rather than fingers to phone, and send your friends some mail. Number 2, exercise. Take time in your house, YouTube videos, or read a manual on how to get in better shape and pick exercises that you would like to do. Sit-ups, push-ups, jogging in place, high knees, just to name a few there. Exercise. Number 1, again, these are in no particular order, but plan your next trip. Now, we have a lot of time to spend in social isolation and we are not going anywhere for a great amount of time, but planning a detailed trip to a country of your choosing or a city of your choosing, domestically or internationally, will speak measures to when you actually have time to go there, okay? You won't spend as much money, you won't waste as much time and energy while you're on that actual trip looking or finding certain things. Definitely take time to plan your trip. Good for your soul. Now here's some honorable mentions that didn't necessarily make the top 10 list that we created before. Read a book, read several books, okay? Virtual cocktail hour. That doesn't mean alcoholic beverages always. You can make coffee or tea. Just make something that you never made before in terms of those virtual cocktail hours, okay? Those are just some things that you can do while social distancing, all right, guys? Until next time. Again, we're very close to reaching that 500 subscribers list, but subscribe down below, spread it to a friend. We are definitely looking to give away a pair of Apple AirPods when we get there. Until next time,